take a white piece of clay and roll it into a rounded rectangular shape for the body. Then make a ball for the head. Next, roll out some white clay to make the ears. I've used a cutter, but you can also shape them by hand like I'm doing with the little pink bit that goes inside just now. Make 3 small balls for the arms and tail. Make 2 holes in the head because this is where the ears will stick into. I used a dotting tool to mark out where I want the eyes to be. Roll up 2 tiny pieces of black clay for the eyes. For the mouth, roll up an extremely tiny piece of clay and very carefully put it on there with your knife. Attach the arms and tail. Then make a small rounded carrot. I also made some tiny leaves with some green clay. Gently mark out the lines on the carrot. For the blush, I used a chalk pastel and gently painted some on with a paintbrush. Attach an eye pin if you want it to be a charm. You can even add a carrot bow. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to come back every Tuesday for another polymer clay tutorial. Bye guys!